Hey guys, today I wanted to create this video to share with you my insights on one hot pick that can make a big difference in your investment portfolio. Before I begin though, I'd like to inform you that all of the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only, and always please make sure to do your research. Let's begin. Now, the stock I wanted to share with you is Skye Bioscience by the ticker SKYE. We are looking at a 1 year trend range here. As you can see, Skye previously ran all the way up to 25 cents at one point without any news. The current price at this time at the mid 5 6 cents, I definitely think it's undervalued, and the fact that 2022 will be a huge milestone for this company, there's no reason to believe that it won't reach its prior resistance, and we shall see it catapult with a V shape coming up very soon with this company here. This is a biotechnology company that has a product pipeline for its THC VHS SBI 100 to treat glaucoma. Its drug product reduces intraocular pressure, which is a leading cause for glaucoma. It also has a secondary product that is being researched for various indications for use in the field of ophthalmology. Now, the company has completed multiple studies where its THC VHS has demonstrated significant reduction in IOP levels compared to other commercially available drug products, as you can see, like latanoprost and timolol. So that's huge, because once this company is able to commercialize this product after going through the clinical trials process, it can gain significant market share, and that will be the paradigm shift, allowing patients to use different forms of treatment using natural derived THC. So that's huge news. In fact, its planned studies, it actually has demonstrated minimal irritability, no safety concerns when it comes to its actual testing, and the fact that the company is able to potentially provide neuroprotective effects when it comes to anti-fibrotic, anti-inflammatory, anti-neovascularization. That's huge. On top of the combination of being able to reduce IOP, this is really going to be a game changing. And we know that the company had just released business news updates that its neuroprotection study has been complete. It's just a matter of when that data will be available, as well as the toxicology studies data that will be available. And we know that first in human studies is primed to begin this year. So this is going to be a major milestone, with data reported out in Q4 of 2022. And the fact that the company expects to get into phase 2 human clinical trials in the United States, that lets you know that the company is working on filing an investigational new drug submission, IND, with the Food and Drug Administration, the FDA. And the company had just announced that it has been working with the FDA, getting guidance through the pre-IND meetings. So this is only going to be a matter of time when the company passes phase 1 in Australia and then starts shifting to phase 2 clinical trials. So this is very exciting news, on top of adding new board of directors and having a scientific advisory board with experienced folks from Stanford University, Mount Sinai, and other areas of the world, such as Spain, Italy, as well as having an experienced leadership team led by Puneet Dhillon. Now, I wanted to share with you data that just tells the entire story here. As you can see here, SBI 100 has demonstrated superior IOP lowering compared to standard of care. As you can see here, gray represents the THC VHS SBI 100. It's done so much better at reducing IOP compared to timolol and latanoprost over a longer duration period. That's what patients with glaucoma need. It's not what they want. It's what they need to allow for them to see in the long run. Now, in combination using SBI 100 with other related drugs, as you can see, SBI Nirtadocil, it's gone down significantly here. So it's done the best when combined with Nirtadocil. That just shows that not only is it an effective single agent use product, it can be used in combination with other related products as well. So that's huge news. And I just wanted to share with you that Q1 of 2022, the goal is to complete GLP tox studies to obtain ethics approval, initiate phase 1 in Q2, receive phase 1 data in Q3, and to have the final data in Q4, and to start phase 2 trials. That's the key takeaway of this company. And I just wanted to highlight that this company has gone through adversity in the 2021 year. However, most small cap biotech companies, as well as other stocks in different sectors, have gone down significantly. But in 2022, things are going to change. We're going to see it start ramping up, and I believe Skye is going to really catapult from my perspective, and we'll see the inflection point coming. So all I see is W. Thank you all.